All right, we're back again here. 1930s craftsman bungalow renovation. Been working on trying to get an exterior wall out of here that, as I said in the previous video, used to be the back of the house. Let's see if I can flip this thing around here. Okay, so that used to be the back of the house here where the steps start down into the basement. So all that siding that was vertical, or the sheathing that was vertical and then it had siding horizontal across it, is all down below this floor level here. So it was all nailed down and below. A little bit of a hard time getting it out, but we got it. So now, the last one to take out is this partition wall. I think that's probably going to be the last wall that we remove because I think we're going to probably go ahead and save that wall there. It's a newly formed up wall and newer to this house. And we're going to save that for the pantry. So we'll be able to reuse that, but this one's got to go. So we can expand that and make it into a laundry room. We're going to have floor joists that'll go across here, the entrance into the basement. That way we've got a nice open room. And then you're seeing, here's part of what's going to be the master bedroom. And the bathroom will start there and expand all the way over. And it'll also come out this way towards the camera. It'll be about 8 by 10. I think it's going to be 12 by 14 bathroom. I don't have the exact measurements on the laundry room, but that's where it'll be. Should be wide enough we can get washer dryer side by side and have a little bench there for a mudroom area. So go ahead and get working on getting this thing torn out.